Hey everyone, and welcome to this AI Decoded Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're here. My goal today is incredibly simple. We are going to cut through the deafening noise of the internet and look at objective, highly practical ways to build a real artificial intelligence business today. No jargon, no exaggerated claims, just a structured, honest look at what actually works in the real world right now. Okay, let's dive into this.
Now, we've got to face a pretty harsh reality right out of the gate. 99% of internet gurus tell you how to make money with AI, but 99% of them are full of it. I mean, it's true, right? The internet is absolutely flooded with these get-rich-quick AI schemes, usually pushed by people who haven't made a single dollar from the very strategies they're trying to sell you. If we want to build something real, something that lasts, we've got to ignore the hype and focus on solving actual real-world business problems.
So, here is our roadmap for today. First, cutting through AI hype. Second, the 3 success criteria. Third, the AI hype traps. Fourth, solid middle-tier opportunities. Fifth, the S-tier gold mines. And finally, 6, your 5-step launch plan.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, cutting through AI hype, separating the slop from the sustainable. Which brings us right back to that massive number, 99%. Because 99% of the noise out there is literally just unsupported hype. And the core problem is that ambitious professionals, people like you, are getting completely distracted by low-tier money-making claims. As your guide today, I want to empower you with critical thinking. We aren't going to look at AI as some kind of magic slot machine. Actually, scratch that, it's more like a highly transformative tool that can save businesses time and make them money.
Moving right along to Section 2, the 3 success criteria. This is how to evaluate a real AI business.
Okay, so how do we objectively measure success without all the emotion and hype? We use 3 core metrics. First up, profitability. Will people actually open their wallets and pay for this? Second, competition. Just how crowded is the market right now? And third, and honestly this is absolutely crucial right now, longevity. Rapid AI advancements mean a trendy business today could literally fall off a cliff tomorrow when a new AI model updates. You have to ask yourself, will this survive?
So keeping those criteria in mind, let's look at Section 3, the AI hype traps, the F-tier bottom feeders of the internet.
Notice the massive contrast here. Over on the left, we've got faceless AI YouTube channels. Gurus love to call these cash cows. But the reality? The YouTube algorithm is actively burying AI-generated slop. These channels get demonetized within weeks, there's zero brand loyalty, and absolutely no longevity. Then on the right, AI trading bots. Here is the secret they don't want you to know. People selling trading bots are usually just selling courses and false hopes. Think about it. If a bot actually generated 20% returns year over year, no way would someone sell it to you for 97 bucks. Plus, selling financial signals lands you in some very risky SEC territory. Just ignore these traps completely.
Let's step up to reality with Section 4, solid middle-tier opportunities. These are your B-tier and A-tier businesses with real demand.
Let's break these down. Content repurposing, like taking a long video and using a tool like Opus Clips to make short-form content, is firmly B-tier. Profitability is solid today, but the longevity risk is high because native tools are catching up incredibly fast. Same goes for copywriting, also B-tier. Unless you heavily niche down to a specific industry, native AI models are going to outcompete you right out of the box very soon. But stepping up to the A-tier, we have AI chat agents. Look, customers hate clunky interfaces. They just want to chat directly on a website to book dinner or get customer support. If you build these for local businesses, you can charge strong monthly retainers. And finally, here's a wild concept, the AI to AI marketplace. There's actually a site right now called rentahuman.ai, where AI agents hire humans. Building the infrastructure where AI agents transact with each other, that is highly defensible and has massive long-term potential.
But to really make this concrete, let me give you a relatable analogy for another stellar A-tier idea, AI voice agents. Imagine a full-time receptionist that doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, doesn't get sick, and never, ever quits. For local businesses, think plumbers, HVAC technicians, or dental clinics. A single missed call can cost them thousands of dollars. Deploying an AI voice agent that can answer the phone naturally, qualify leads, and book appointments, that is a massive, immediate value add that easily justifies a high monthly fee.
And now we reach the absolute peak. Section 5, the S-tier gold mines. High profit, low competition, and massive longevity.
Guys, this is where the real money is. Take AI lead generation, for example. Business owners are completely overwhelmed just delivering for their current customers. If you use AI to prospect, research, and deliver qualified warm leads right to their inbox, you are essentially selling them money. That's an easy S tier. Next is AI consulting. You get paid to come in, audit a company's operations for, say, $5,000, find every single bottleneck, and turn that into a $50,000 implementation project. It puts real meat on the bones and builds deep, long-lasting client relationships. Then we have managed cybersecurity. As AI gets more powerful, hackers are using it for incredibly sophisticated phishing and social engineering, like literally spoofing a CEO's voice. Securing enterprise contracts to fight off these AI-powered attacks is highly technical, sure, but it acts as an incredibly profitable enterprise insurance. But listen, there is one S-tier opportunity that sits above all the rest: AI agent development. This means designing customized virtual teams and repeatable workflows that scale a business without adding human labor. Think of this as the iPhone moment of AI. You aren't just selling a basic chatbot, you are selling an AI chief of staff. Let's call it Kai. Kai checks Slack, manages the calendar, coordinates projects, and even oversees other AI agents. If you have the technical know-how to build repeatable workflows that attack the labor costs on a business's expense sheet, you are sitting on an absolute goldmine.
So, how do you actually start? Because theory is great, but action is what pays the bills. Let's move to our final section, Section 6, your 5-step launch plan. Here is your exact manual playbook. Step 1. Validate. Please, don't build anything yet. Create a simple landing page for an AI chief of staff and literally text your network. Ask them, who do you know that needs an AI chief of staff to get back 10 hours a week? See if the problem is even real. Step 2. Pre-sell. Reach out to those who showed interest and ask if they'd pay to be early adopters. Basically, crowdfund your idea to ensure it's a painkiller, not just a vitamin. Step 3. Launch manually. This is vital. Use a concierge approach. Do the work manually behind the scenes to prove you can deliver real value before you spend months coding complex AI agents. Step 4. Build audience. Partner with creators or professionals already talking about chief of staff problems and have them promote your solution for a fee. And finally, Step 5. Productize. Only after you have consistent transactions and revenue coming in do you reinvest that money to automate the tech.
As we wrap up this explainer today, I want you to remember this quote. People who win aren't the ones who start first. They're literally the ones who don't quit. Building a reliable, S-tier AI business is not about finding some magic bullet. It is all about consistency. It's about putting one foot in front of the other, focusing on real-world business problems, and showing up every single day.
So, I'll leave you with this final, thought-provoking question. Which AI problem will you solve first? Will you save a local plumber from missed calls? Will you consult for a struggling agency? Or will you build the ultimate AI chief of staff? Stay curious, pick just one idea to focus on, and start building your future today. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you build.